Sometimes development doesn't begin with building something new. Sometimes it begins by restoring what we already have. This abandoned forestry facility already has the trees, the land, the beauty, and the serenity. With a strategic partnership between the federal government and the Abia State Government, it could become one of Nigeria's finest eco-tourism destinations. A place where research continues, families relax, businesses thrive, and nature is preserved for generations to come. So for a very long time in Abia State, questions have always been asked, or maybe criticisms and videos have always been made regarding Abia and Umuahia in particular being a very boring city, and that something needs to be done. The fact that Umuahia sleeps very early and wakes up very late becomes a real question. And then suggestions have always been made on how to bring back the nightlife in Abia State, and especially the fun part of the city. Whether it existed before, they should bring it back, or if it never existed, something needs to be done to bring it back. And in the quest of all of this, I decided to visit one particular facility in Umuahia, long abandoned. For so many persons, they never knew that this facility still exists or know that this facility still exists. And for that reason, I decided to embark on this very journey. I left very early, and upon getting there, the place is somehow looking deserted. And it's a very nice scene for some of you who probably might want to do a horror movie in Umuahia. Probably the city have a nice location for you to do that. But that's not what I'm here to talk about in this very video. I want to look at this particular institution situated in Umuahia. If you're driving from Umuahia Junction to the school itself, it is called the Federal Ministry of Environment, Forestry Research Institute of Nigeria. It's one of the most natural, beautiful sites that I've ever seen in Abia State. I don't think there's anything as beautiful as this. Well planned, well calculated upon setting up that institute. But at this particular point, it is abandoned. From the entrance to the main building, there's a story building inside of it. If you go in, to the extreme part of it, you're going to see a story building, and then you're also going to see a building at the left side of it if you're going in. But all of this fully abandoned. The only thing that seems to be functioning in this very area at this point is the football pitch, where students from Michael Okpara University who stay within the Ahieke area, come to play football in the evening or maybe during the weekends. But in this video, I want to take you through a conversation and a part of this very facility that I feel like if the Abia State Government can liaise with the federal government to get involved, revive this very abandoned facility, turn it into a fun garden park, and how it will benefit the fun center of this very city. And then maybe once and for all, we kill that conversation that Umuahia is a very boring city. There's a lot that can be done, and this particular facility can contribute towards that. It is not far from the city center, from Umuahia Junction to the facility itself, very close to the Ahieke market. It's, I think, about 300 or 250 if you're going via public transport. But if you're driving within 5-10 minutes, you should be there, right? So, in this very video, let's look at some of the important things that I feel like if it will be possible for the state government, to liaise with the federal government or through the Ministry of Environment and Forestry that is actually in charge of that very facility to look at how this place can be revived. As you can see in this video, the fact that this place has been abandoned and is still looking this way tells you that if few millions of naira is put into it, a lot can definitely change, right? It is looking beautiful, and if you look at the trees, very natural, the environment, very cool, the peaceful atmosphere, and the large expanse of land. These things are money that if at the end of the day, the Abia State Government decides to revive it, just like the one that you have in Enugu, I think it's the Enugu Fun Park or something that they call it, where you have different trees, you have different facilities, different activities going on there. People go there for events, people go there for picnics, and you just have to pay a token, to get into the facility. So I feel like this particular one can also serve the same thing for Abia State. It belongs to the federal government, and it's under the Federal Ministry of Environment, like I pointed out at the course of this very video. So now the question becomes, what can Abia State Government do? Now, the suggestion here is that a possible memorandum of understanding between the Federal Ministry of Environment and the Abia State Government where the Federal Ministry of Environment continues its research activities, and the Abia State Government would develop this facility into a public, for public use. Now there's a few things, while I was going through this facility that I felt like if this, is something that probably entices the state government that they can, convert this very facility into. One is that the garden already exists, so they can just beautify it into a botanical garden, a family picnic spots, children playground, natural trails, cycling paths, outdoor gym, artificial lake, open air event arena, wedding garden, concert venue, cultural facility ground, football pitch that is already there, a basketball court, a lawn tennis courts, and mini golf area. Because what you're seeing here, I didn't even cover the bigger part of it, because like I said, I went there very early in the morning and it was quite lonely. I didn't even see anybody until the moment I was leaving the facility. Then I started seeing, I think, 2 or 3 persons coming into that very area, right? There's a lot that this facility can be converted into that will revive the fun part of Umuahia, and as well as create more revenue for the federal government and as well as the state government, right? Hundreds of jobs will be created. Tourism attraction sites will be founded in Umuahia. Weekend businesses, hotel patronage, local food vendors, photographers, event planners, security jobs, maintenance job, and also increased revenue for everyone involved, for the states, individuals, and as well as the federal government. Right? And again, is that the environmental benefits that comes with this is that facility is just wasted. The buildings there, if care is not taken, might start collapsing in the coming years. So what is the need of abandoning such a beautiful environment to go to waste when something can be done? An example of some of these things is the Agodi Garden in Ibadan, the Millennium Park in Abuja, and the Lekki Conservative Center that is in Lagos, right? This can also be situated in Umuahia, if only the administration of His Excellency can look towards this direction. And I can tell you for free, in as much as the place looks abandoned, I felt some level of peace the moment I got there. I'm probably going to allow a part of this video to play so you can have a feel of the natural sound and the peace that this environment offers. Maybe, just maybe, if it is revived, believe me, maybe the conversation that Umuahia is boring and there is no place to go for the weekend and there is no place to go for fun, that very facility can serve these very purpose. And the facility, like I said, it belongs to the Federal Ministry of Environment, Forestry Research Institute of Nigeria, and is located at Okuta Isheke Ibeku. Right? That's in Umuahia. If you drive from Umudike Junction before you get to Ahieke, you're going to see it. And from the entrance to the main facility itself, everything looks abandoned. The gate no longer closes. I think it remains open 24/7, and something needs to be done. Right? So in this part of the video, what suggestion do you have if the Alex Otti administration decides to get involved in this very facility to revive it and open it up to public use? What do you think will be what do you think should be one of the activities or one of the innovations that should be, planted in this very area? Do let me know in the comments, and have a cozy moment enjoying the other parts of the video. See you at the end of it. Don't forget to like this one, drop a comment, and as well hit the notification bell so that each time I drop a video on this channel, you'll be among the first to get notified. See you in the next one.